90% of people who have thyroid, they want two things. The first is to lose weight, and the second one is to lose weight fast, rapid weight loss. The first part is very nice and simple. It is to lose weight so you can get in your normal weight, in a healthy weight range. Plus, also because of your healthy weight, you will have normal bodily functions. But the second bit, which is to lose weight fast, can get a little tricky. This is because sometimes when you try to lose weight fast in an unhealthy way, it can even cause to worsen your thyroid. You can have a lot of other health issues such as extreme hair fall. You can be fatigue all the time, which is being tired throughout the day, low energy, brittle nails, damaging your metabolism, and so much more. That does not mean that weight loss techniques do not work. In today's video, I'm going to share with you weight loss techniques that will help you lose weight fast but also in a very healthy way. Before that, let us talk on what is thyroid. So if you do not know already, thyroid is basically you have a small thyroid gland over here, which is like a butterfly gland, and it controls your metabolism, your weight, your energy, and basically everything in your body. Problems arise when the thyroid gland is not doing its function properly. This causes a lot of issues such as weight gain, which a lot of people suffer with. Whatever they do, they're unable to lose their weight. They have acne, they have pimples, you have hair fall, and so many other health conditions. There are also a lot of other health conditions that you may face when you are overweight. That is that your knees or back might hurt because your body is not able to take the weight. You might feel very tired very soon. You will have low body confidence. You will have low self-esteem. All this in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you weight loss techniques that will help you lose weight fast but also in a healthy way. First is prolonged fasting. Fasting is definitely one of the best ways to lose weight in healthy ways, while avoiding thyroid damaging effects that daily and consistent calorie intake might have on your body. A lot of people are not taking full advantage of it. A lot of people think that fasting is just another way to cut down on calories and to reduce your calorie intake. They say that fasting is no different than just keeping your calories low and staying in a calorie deficit, and that the results from both of these will be similar. But this is where I have to disagree. For instance, we know that studies suggest that chronic starvation causes a drop in your T3 and a rise in your reverse T3. This change is terrible for thyroid patients. Fasting does not appear to do the same to thyroid patients. It helps you safely reduce your calories due to fasting because you're not eating anything, but at the same time it also avoids that drop in T3 and the drop in thyroid function. The key here is not to do over fasting and not fast longer than what suits your body, because this will again cause the same effects that starvation diets have on your body, which will cause to lower your thyroid function. According to my experience, prolonged fasting between 1 to 4 days is considered safe, and it also helps you lose weight while also not causing any damage to your thyroid function. If you're a thyroid patient and you're trying to lose weight quickly, fasting is one of the first things you should try. The next weight loss technique is decreasing carbohydrates. But I'm also going to tell that how calorie restriction, the effects it has on your body, the same you will get even when you decrease your carbohydrates. Even though I'm saying this, decreasing carbohydrates will definitely help you lose weight. You can do this either by reducing your carbohydrates overall, or you can also do carb cycling. I have to tell you this, that the change you see in your weight when you reduce carbohydrates is mainly going to be water weight, and that is not the fat mass that you're losing. That also means that once you start eating carbohydrates on a normal basis, on a regular diet, you are again going to gain the weight. This is the reason a lot of people continuously keep gaining and losing weight, is because they are trying to reduce their carbs. Once they have lost it, they are again going on the same diet. This can also be extremely unhealthy at times if you're not doing it with correct supervision and guidance. Technique is also good to slim you down in a very short period of time, especially if you have like an important event such as a graduation or a wedding coming up. If you're someone who really needs that push and that motivation and you're unable to see that change in the weighing scale, you can try this. Although it is short term, but still that change in the weight scale will really push you to do your best and continue your fitness journey as well. And if that fast drop in weight causes you to make a healthy lifestyle change, which is eating healthy and also exercising regularly, I would say it's worth a try. But make sure that you do not go low carb for a very long time, because this will again lower your thyroid function, and in the long run you will again gain the weight back. But this is when you can try carb cycling, which helps you to reduce that fluid in your body, reduce that water weight from your body without causing a lot of damage to your thyroid function. The way you can do this is that on days that you decide to have carbohydrates, the magic number is 100 grams of carbohydrates. This will help you reduce the weight but also not cause any damage to your thyroid function. So all in all, carb cycling is one of the best ways to take advantage of this drop in carbohydrates and reducing the weight in a very short period of time. The next fast weight loss technique is definitely working out. But working out is very important when you try to lose weight, but the type of workout you do also matters. Many experts or many people believe that this kind of training, which is called the high intensity interval training, such as doing HIIT workouts, Tabata workouts, assault bike, sprinting, all this will cause you to reduce weight in a very fast way because it burns the most amount of calories in a very short period of time. This may not be healthy for people who have thyroid. Studies suggest that continuous periods of doing high intensity interval training can cause a negative effect on your thyroid gland, and this is even for people who have a healthy functioning thyroid gland. And for people like you who are already listening to this video, already have thyroid, it will make things even worse. This means that there's a sweet spot between doing no exercise at all and then doing exercises that is high intensity and could cause damage to your body as well as your thyroid gland. This sweet spot is called the zone 2 training. Zone 2 training means that any kind of exercises that increases your heart rate to 60% of your maximum heart rate, and this you do for 30 to 40 minutes. These kind of exercises are excellent for thyroid patients for 3 reasons. This is a gentle way to work out and burn calories but without putting that excess pressure on your thyroid function. The second reason is that it puts less pressure on your body. That means that it avoids that spike cortisol that has when you do a high intensity training workout like Tabata or assault bike. The third reason is that a lot of people find this kind of training more sustainable and long term, because when you do a very high intensity workout every day, it will cause some pain in your body and you would always feel so discouraged and demotivated to work out. So the best way is to take it slow, gradually, but still see the results. So if you have thyroid problems and you're wondering what kind of workout to do, zone 2 is the kind of workout you should go for. How would you understand what 60% of your maximal heart rate means? So this would be actually very easy to calculate for just simpler purpose, and to explain it to you is that you will be in your 60% when while working out you are easily able to either talk to someone or sing a song. So try this and you will understand where 60% of your maximal heart rate lies. These are some of the most common and simplest ways to lose weight when you have thyroid and lose weight fast. There are a lot of other techniques as well, such as even taking T3 medication for thyroid. Think about all this. Just because you're not able to lose weight, or if you're having severe hair fall, if you're having severe skin issues as well, do not directly assume that you might have thyroid. It is best to actually go to a doctor, get your test done, and exactly know what levels your thyroid are at and what is the other health conditions also you may have. A lot of people directly come up to me and tell me that they have tried losing weight in all possible ways and they're assuming that they have thyroid. So please give me a thyroid diet plan. It doesn't work that way. Although I know thyroid, PCOD, PCOS is so common, do not assume anything, always get a test done. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're someone who is having thyroid and you're struggling to lose weight. If you know somebody else who's also struggling to lose weight with thyroid, share this video with them. It will definitely help them. So if you have any more questions, such as what prolonged fasting is, how many hours should you fast, what can you eat, what you cannot eat, what is T3 medication, and so many other questions, please ask them in the comment section below. I would love to help you. If you're someone who is struggling to lose weight in thyroid, or if you're struggling to lose weight in general, we can help you. GoFit with Arwa has meal plan programs, workout programs which are in studio and virtual. We have personal training and physiotherapy as well. Especially if you have thyroid, we will help you step by step to lose weight in a healthy way, because that has always been our goal, is to do everything but in a healthy way. For the past 12 years as a trainer, I have helped lots of women who are suffering from thyroid to lose weight and to also reduce the symptoms that thyroid may have. If you have thyroid, do not just get discouraged and just do not think that you are never going to lose weight, because eating right and working out right, especially with a coach who exactly knows how to train you with planned programs, will definitely help you to lose weight. So if you want to join any of our fitness programs to lose weight, the registration form is in the link in the description below. Fill it out and our team will get back to you. Do follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, where we share daily health and fitness tips, workout videos, healthy recipes and so much more. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload weekly workouts, again, health and fitness tips, and so much more. And if you have any other fitness topics that you would like us to cover and talk more about, be it a workout video or anything else, drop your suggestions in the comment below. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you to lose weight even if you have thyroid. Subscribe to our channel and see you guys next week.